Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the new Beautiful Breeze stamp set. This is a part of the autumn impression release from Trinity stamps. So here you can see the stamp set alongside with the coordinating dies that you can purchase separately. And you can see that this comes with this large stamp and the coordinating sentiment. And it also comes with some filler images that you can stamp around the main image. And here is the large die that will cut all of the leaves out at the same time. And that is really handy if you want to bring some dimension to your project. And this product will also perfectly coordinate with the new Stitched Swirl Winds die set, as well as the seasonal Winds 6x6 stencil. So here you can see how it looks when I stamped all of our stamps out. And I will also use my my tools here just to cut apart the greetings here, so I easily can adhere everything down when I'm running it through my die cutting machine. And you will see how easy this is to line up. I have never used these before and it worked perfectly the first time. So here you can see I'm just looking through my die and making sure that I have all of my leaves centered in those open space that you can see through. And to keep this in place, I'm just using some low-tech adhesive. And here you can see how it all looks when it's all cut out. And you can really see how easy that was. I just used a black here, but you will see in a couple of upcoming projects how they look when they are stamped in colors, and they are just beautiful. And this really works perfectly with other products that I mentioned previously. So here is also the greetings and how the leaves looks when they are all cut out with that little white border around them. So here is a product that I created, and you can see I used the stamp set alongside with the Stitched Swirling Winds die that coordinates with this. And for this one I used the stamp set, the stencil and the coordinating dies, both from the stamp set, the coordinating dies for that, and the Stitched Swirling Winds die. And here is a last project. I did basically the same thing as in the previous project that I showed you. I hope you like this product. If you want even more inspiration, I will leave you with some from the design team. If you want even more, you can visit our Facebook page, blog and Instagram account. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!